Hi, friends. It is Miss Hudson. I am so glad to see you today. It is time for our math lesson. Today, if you want to grab some paper and pencil, that would be great. You can put me on pause while you go grab that, and then you can come back and we'll get started. All right? All right. I'm hoping that you have your paper and your pencil now. Today, just like yesterday, we're going to continue counting. Yesterday, we counted in a linear configuration and an array. We talked about when objects are all over the place or they look a little different. Today, we're going to specifically talk about when things are in a circle. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to grab my board. And I'm going to grab a marker. Hold on one second. I'm going to grab my marker. All right, here we go. So, in a circular configuration, the objects can look like this. Now, guys, remember, Ms. Hudson is not a boss artiste like Miss Tom. But I'm going to try to draw our object in a circle. And I'm going to start by just doing dots, all right? So I'm going to do a dot here, here, do a circle of dots. All right. So can you guys see that? It's kind of small, but I think you can see it. All right, guys. So in the past, when we were back in school months and months ago, we talked about doing things in, we talked about number paths. We talked about crossing things off when we counted. All of those are really good strategies you want to keep in your brain when you're counting in a circular configuration. All right. Today, I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to count 10 and then we'll count on just like we've been doing. Okay. So I'm going to count 10. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm going to put a circle around the 10 that I counted. All right, so I crossed off and I put a circle around the 10 that I counted so that I won't get confused. And now I can count on, and I can do this the say 10 way. So we know that's 10. Now we have 10 1, 10 2, 10 3, 10 4, and I can write that number. 14 or 10 4. All right? Easy peasy, right? Let's do another one. Let's do stars this time. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's count and see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Put a circle around that 10. And then we can count on 10 1, 10 2, 10 3. And I'm going to write 10 3 or 13 right there. All right. So what we did today was we found 10 objects first. And then we kind of circled those 10 objects, and then we were able to count on, okay? This is important because as we're doing this, we don't want you to get confused, okay? So it's always important to keep counting on after we have found our 10, all right? So I'm going to get my paper here. All right, so I have some objects. Again, remember, Miss Hudson is not a boss artist. All right? You guys are. But I try my very best. All right? So now we can count to see how many we have. I'm going to use the color. Let's use blue. Okay? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right? And just like we talked about, I'm going to circle those 10. And how many do we have? When we count on, we have 10 1. So I can write that number right there. 10 1 or 11. All right, now let's count over here. This time we have circles. Count with me. And remember, we're still crossing off so we can get to that 10, and we're going to circle it and then count on, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, count with me. Let's start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm going to circle that. All right, now we can count on 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3. Hey, we worked with this number already. All right. Now at the bottom, I'm hoping you guys can see I have stars, okay? Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle that 10. All right, now we can count on 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6. And I can write that number, 10, 6. All right, or 16. All right, you guys did a great job counting. We're going to do one more together, and then I'm going to have you guys do something so special in just a moment. All right, so here I have some triangles. All right, this time I'm going to use the color orange. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. We're counting in the circular configuration. We're going to identify those first 10, and then we're going to count on from there. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to circle that. All right, now we can count on 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8. And I want to write that 10, 8 or 18. All right. Now, what I want you guys to do with your paper and pencil that you got, you're going to make your very own object, circle of objects, just like I did. And then you're going to write the number to tell me how many. When you're done with that, I want you guys to take a picture of it, send it over to your teacher, and I'm going to shout out some friends tomorrow that I saw doing that, okay? I can't wait to see your work. I can't wait to see you counting, and I want you guys to count things around the house, okay? Count things that are in a circle. Put your cereal in a circle. Put your Legos in a circle. Anything you have, caps to the bottom, like a water bottle top, magnets, whatever you have around the house, put it in a circle. And then I want you guys to write that number, okay? Remember, when you're counting objects, you can move the objects rather than crossing them out. You can move them, creating a number path. You can do all those things. But I want you guys to keep counting, okay? Just because math is ending right now doesn't make you stop counting. I can't wait to see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys, and I miss you guys, and see you later.